Welcome to Feel Free TV. It's Melissa, Mom's favorite organizer, and here's your 2-minute-ish tip of the day. Today's video is a how-to on making beet muffins for your little one. I'm always looking for fun, nutritious, easy meals to make for my toddler, and here's one that he loves and I enjoy, so I hope he will too. Start out with a mini cupcake baking pan, a pancake mix of your choice, and anything else you want to add to the beet muffin. I chose carrots, mangoes, apple slices with, of course, garnish of raisins, because I'm exotic. Now, I cooked my beet prior to this video, but it's really simple. All you do is chop up a head of beets, boil it in about 2 cups of water until it's soft enough to stick through. Then blend it. Do not drain it. Keep all your water and your pulp. You're going to use all of it. Now add all your fruits and vegetables, including your beets, into your blending system. We're rocking with the NutriBullet this time around. Time to pour the liquid ingredients into a bowl. Now, I didn't use measuring cups, but I would use the measurements on the back of the box of the pancake mix, whatever liquid to dry ingredient ratio they provide. My niece Winnie is my helper for today, and she's doing a great job, being that I don't have 4 hands. Who do you think is behind this camera? A ghost? Here's the consistency for all my visual learners. I added cinnamon and vanilla just to liven things up. Time to grease your pan. Use a spoon to fill each section halfway. When it comes to the raisins, you can mix it in or you can garnish it up top. Winnie really wanted something else to do, so I let her decorate. These things are pretty small, so they will bake quickly. So, what's the verdict? Yeah? It looks like a winner, you guys. Do you want to get organized and enjoy all things motherhood? If so, you are in the right place. Subscribe to the channel, share your disorganization stories in the comments below. Either way, until we meet again, feel free.